Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I bring to you Ankara Styles 2026. Trendy Ankara Boubou gown, beautiful lace long Maxi and Kaftan dress styles. Get ready to stay with these trendiest styles of 2026. From statement pieces to elegant designs, I've got you covered. Let's talk about the Ankara Boubou Kaftan gowns. These stunning pieces are perfect for any occasion. Whether you are attending a wedding or a party, you will definitely turn heads. The intricate prints and vibrant colors will make you stand out. The beautiful lace long maxi dresses, elegance at its finest. These designs are perfect for formal events or even a casual day out. The lace details add a touch of sophistication, making you look like a queen. And let's not forget about kaftan dress styles. Comfortable and stylish. Comfortable and stylish. These kaftans are a must-have in your wardrobe. Perfect for a relaxed day or a night out with friends. The Ankara print add a pop of color to your look. These styles are not just trendy, they are also versatile. Mix and match with accessories, shoes and bags to create your unique look. Don't be afraid to experiment and show off your personality. So are you ready to upgrade your wardrobe with these stunning Ankara styles? From Bubu to Kaftan styles, there is something for everyone. Get inspired and stay the fashion game. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more fashion updates. Stay fabulous and keep staying with Ankara Styles. See you in the next video. Bye. Which of these styles is your favorite? Let me know in the comment section.